Well guys, in this video I'm going to tell you how to check some electronics component in the PC board. So there is some different parts are there in the PC board. Okay, and I'm telling you one by one, showing you how to check. This is a bridge diode. Okay, it's called a bridge diode. I'm checking this now, and you see I set this on the continuity, the meter. So this tester now I'm going to check with the multi tester, which is inside. This is a bridge diode. Okay, this is the main, and I will touch this red one on the positive. This is the positive line. There is a cut. This cut side is a positive, and also is the symbol is there. When you open and you can check, the symbol is there positive, and this 2 is for AC input, the middle pins, and the last one, this is for negative. And now first I will connect this red probe on positive. As you can see, the needle is moving, here also moving. Okay, now I will invert this red on negative, and this will be on here. You see it's not moving, the needle is not moving. It's mean this is not damaged, this is not short. Also there is this diode. I will check this also. So when I connect this to the positive one, it will move. You can see this is the positive and it's moving the needle, but when I invert this, it will not move. Okay, this is the MOSFET. Some components we can check with the fix inside the PC board, but some we have to remove it. I will check this now inside the PC. So it's not moving one side, but it need to be removed and checked. But anyway, when I connect this here, it's showing look like damage, but for confirm we have to remove this from the PC board. So some components we can check inside the PC board, some we have to remove it. This is the resistor, and the value is 5 amps. So this one can be checked also. Now we check this. You can see. So this resistor is not damaged. So there are some components we can check. There is this small diode. If you can see, this red one here. I will check also. This is also small one. I will check this also. And this is one diode here. I will check this also. You can check this like that. This is positive. Okay, and then invert this, it is not showing, so this is not damaged as well. Okay, this is how we can check some components like inside the PC board with the multi-tester. Here is one diode, small one, crystal diode. So I will check this one also. See, it's little bit reading, but it's okay. And when I invert this on positive, I will touch this pin on positive, it will move. See, the needle is moving. This diode is also not damaged. This is how we can check. There is some SMD resistor. So this is a 0 ohms. You can check this also here. It will show. When I touch this, see, this is also. So some of the components we can check inside the PC board like this. Some we have to remove it. Like this is also diode. So this I'm checking also. See, this is the positive side this here, and this is the negative side that is not showing. So one side is showing, the as you know the diode is shown one side only. So this is also okay. So this is how some components we can check in the PC board. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.